Mike Innovative Door, 3290 CHI double porthole, 10 by 10 or 9 something. These are non-insulated glass. There's 3 of them. That one's up, the other one's up, one in the middle. I'm going to show you real quick here. Double slide lock. .14 gauge hinge, all nylon wheels. These we went with 20-inch radius because there's a piece of conduit in the way up there. I don't know if you could see this or not. There it is. That conduit goes all the way across this whole service station, so we put in 20-inch radius to go around it. Works swell. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Goes up nice, balance is beautiful. Put on gray weather strip. We got some portholes here for they do all the mechanics work. So we got 2 of those there, one over here. Whoops, excuse me. Hello. And we got some slide locks on there for them. I'll show you the outside once more. 3290 CHI. For all your needs, call Innovative 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Check us out on Facebook. Like us, because we like you. Come visit us in person. 650 Ogden, Downers. Thanks for watching our CHI full view gas station garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching. See ya.